Hello, grade 2. Grade 2, grade 2, grade 2. Next. Grade 2, grade 2, grade 2. Okay, so in our music, we're gonna learn about pitch, high or low. I will repeat, high, grade 2, grade 2, grade 2, or low, grade 2, grade 2, grade 2. Okay, so pitch is the highness and lowness of tones. I will repeat, pitch is the highness and lowness of tones. The faster the vibration, the higher is the pitch. And the slower the vibration, the lower is the pitch. So if it is fast, it's high. If it is slow, then it's low. Okay? Slow, then low. Okay, next. What is a melody? Melody is the arrangement of tones in musical line. When tones are arranged well in music, they create a pleasing melody. And the melody of the song may go up or may go down. So we have here the tone ladder. It shows the scale, okay? It has 8 tones. The tones move up or down by steps like a ladder. And these 8 tones are do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. So it's going up. We'll start with the low and then go up, okay? Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. And then this time, we're gonna go down from the up do, high do, to the lower do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, can we do it? Do, 1, going up, and then we'll go down, okay? Ready? Go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So this one is the tone ladder. And these are the tones. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. A dear. Okay, now I'm gonna play some music and you're gonna check a shade if it is high or low. Okay, so let me okay, for number 1 you're gonna shade, huh? Okay, high or low? Let's listen one more time. Next, number 2. High or low? One more. Let's listen again. Number 3. Okay, one more time. Number 4. Okay, one more time. Next, last number, number 5. Again. Okay, very good. Okay, please go to page 43. Use the first letter to complete the word that being described. This P is the highness or lowness of tones. This letter P is the highness or lowness of tones. Write your answer. Next one. H pitch results when the source of sounds vibrates faster. Okay? The faster the sound, the vibration, what is the result? Is it blank? Next, blank pitch results when the source of sounds vibrates slower. So this one is slower. And letter M is the arrangement of tones in a musical line. Letter M is the arrangement of tones in a musical line. Okay, please close your book and let's proceed to our arts. So fishes and other sea creatures. So look at this one. What a nice view. Okay, it's the sea, fishes, and other creatures. Okay? The picture shows the fishes, sea turtles, and corals. These are only some of the living things that live under water. Okay? Now, what can you say about the texture? Okay, so what is the texture? The surface or characteristics and appearance of an object. Kapag tinouch nyo siya, ano yung texture niya? Soft ba? Okay, rough. So, what do you think is the texture of their bodies? Okay? And then the fish, the seahorse, the brain corals, and the starfish are only some of the sea creatures and part of nature that you commonly see in paintings. So drawing and painting, these animals make use of different lines and shapes, textures, and colors. Okay, now for the shape, what is a shape? A shape is the form of appearance of the outer edges that outline a figure or something. It can be geometric or organic. So what is geometric shapes? Geometric shapes can be circles, diamonds, ovals, rectangles, squares, stars, or triangles. They can be seen in human-made objects like the machines, buildings, bridges, and others. So the geometric shapes are the mga shapes na pinapag-aralan natin. But the organic shape are those that you see in nature, like the shape of the leaves, shape of the flowers, the shape of the seed, shape of the fruits, or the animals and other things in nature. So yung mga shape na yun ay tawag doon ay organic shape. But the squares, rectangles, ang tawag din naman dyan ay geometric shape. So a while ago, I asked you about texture. So it is the surface, characteristics, and the appearance of an object. So the fish and other sea creatures have body coverings with different texture, okay? Right? Some have smooth, rough, hard, or soft body coverings. Others have scaly, bony, spotted, shiny, or slimy body coverings. And you can capture these characteristics of fish and other sea creatures in your drawing. So now we're gonna start with our painting. So what is painting? It is the art of applying paint, pigment, or other medium to a drawing. Okay? Through painting, you can express your ideas, your feelings, and your thoughts. And then in your painting, you can apply colors, right? And you can achieve the desired texture of your painting by using the dots and the lines. So this one are pointillism, okay? Ang tawag dito is pointillism. Ang ginamit lang is yung point ng color. Okay po? Di ginaganon-ganon lang, okay? So pointillism ang tawag dito. How about this one? So this one is hatching. Okay? Yung parang ginuguri-guri. Hatching. So this one is pointillism and this one is hatching. Also, you can achieve the desired texture in your artwork by using different coloring and painting techniques. So this one is etching. So the etching is you're gonna color first yung paper nyo ng light color. And then after that one, you're gonna color it black. And then you're gonna start to draw on that black paper, black color. You're gonna start using, you can use your pencil or you can use a pointed stick. Okay, katulad niyan. Okay po? So, ang tawag dyan ay etching. Next, for this one is this one is the blending. Okay? Blending of colors. And this one is crayon resist. Okay po? So, in your art activity, you're gonna draw under the sea and you can choose the type of texture paint, yung mga techniques na gamit. You can use pointillism, hatching, etching, color, crayon resist, and what's this? Blending. Yeah, blending. Okay, it's up to you. What do you want to what techniques you are going to choose. So you're gonna draw under the sea. Okay po? It's okay na mga animals na makikita sa creatures, sea creatures, and fishes. Okay po? And then, please get your book, page 149. You're gonna tell the texture of the body covering of the following sea creatures. Encircle your answer. So this one is the crab, soft or hard? The body coverings. Next, shiny or spotted? Shiny or spotted? Next, number 3, rough or smooth? Rough or smooth? Number 4, scaly or smooth? Scaly or smooth? Number 5, hard or soft? Hard or soft? Number 6, rough or slimy? Rough or slimy? Number 7, rough or smooth? Rough or smooth? And number 8, shiny or smooth? Shiny or smooth? Okay? Done? Please close your book and listen. Art activity, the one that I tell you about, the one that I told you already. You're gonna draw under the sea and you can use whatever techniques you want to use from our lesson. You can use pointillism, hatching, etching, crayon resist, or blending. Okay po? And then take a pic and then After that one, after making your art, you're gonna take a picture of it and send it in our class dojo. You're gonna take a picture also of pages 42 and 43 and also 149 and 150 and send it in our class dojo. Okay? So that's all for today and see you next week. Bye!